In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the agent terminated due to error issue in Google Antigravity. So if your agent keeps crashing or stopping unexpectedly, just follow these steps carefully. Now the first thing you want to do is disable MCP servers, because this issue is very commonly caused by MCP being enabled. Now to do that, open Google Antigravity, and once it opens, look at the top right corner of the agent and click on the three dots. Now from the menu, select MCP servers. Now, if MCP is enabled, click on Manage MCP Servers, and here you have the option to disable them. Now, you can either fully turn off MCP, or if you want to find the exact cause, you can disable the MCP servers one by one to see which one is triggering the error. Now, after disabling MCP servers, close Antigravity completely. Now, reopen Antigravity and try starting a new conversation and check if the error is gone. Now, if you're still facing the same issue, the next thing you want to do is switch the model. Now, a lot of users get this error when using Claude models, so what you want to do is close Antigravity again and reopen it. Now, once it opens, look for the model selection option, and if you're currently using a Claude model, switch to another model, such as Gemini, Gemini Pro, or GPT-based models. Now, after switching the model, start a new conversation and see if the agent runs without crashing. Now, if the issue still does not go away, the last thing you can try is logging in with a different Google account, because in some cases you may have hit an account quota limit. Now, once you switch accounts, restart Antigravity again and test it. And that's it. These steps resolve the agent terminated due to error issue for most users in Google Antigravity. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.